The DILL TPMS adapter allows the mating of many TPMS sensors to a new generation of valve stems. It's compatible with many OE and aftermarket sensor housings. The included roller cam component is only needed when mounting to adjustable angle clamp-in Schrader sensors. It's not needed for many sensors that typically use a snap-in valve. First, install the valve stem to the wheel using DILL torque tools. Next, tighten the T30 Torx bolt using DILL's 5565 torque driver and DILL's 8113 T30 socket. Gently press the sensor housing against the wheel barrel while tightening the Torx bolt. To keep the adapter steady, you can hold the assembly with DILL's T540 or a standard 5/8 inch wrench.